The leafy sea dragon. They're one of the most fascinating and iconic creatures in the ocean. Here are some interesting facts about leafy sea dragons. Leafy sea dragons have elaborate, branching appendages that resemble kelp or seaweed, allowing them to blend in with their surroundings. Leafy sea dragons are native to the coastal waters of southern Australia, typically inhabiting areas with rocky reefs and kelp forests. Leafy sea dragons are relatively slow swimmers, moving at a pace of about 0.05 miles per hour, 0.08 kilometers per hour. Leafy sea dragons feed on small crustaceans, plankton, and fish larvae, using their long, pipe-like snout to suck in food. In a unique reversal of roles, male leafy sea dragons carry eggs in a brood pouch on their tail, nurturing them until they hatch. Leafy sea dragons are listed as near threatened on the IUCN Red List due to habitat loss, pollution, and accidental capture in fishing gear. Leafy sea dragons are popular attractions in public aquariums where they can be seen swimming and feeding in simulated habitats. Can grow up to 24 inches. Leafy sea dragons can grow up to 24 inches, 60 centimeters in length, making them a striking sight. Have a unique courtship ritual. Leafy sea dragons perform a complex courtship dance involving elaborate movements and color changes to attract mates. Can live up to 10 years. In the wild, leafy sea dragons can live up to 10 years, although their average lifespan is typically shorter due to various threats. Masterful disguise. Leafy sea dragons' elaborate appendages are not just for show. They help to camouflage them from predators and prey. Excellent dancers. Leafy sea dragons are known for their impressive courtship dances, which involve intricate movements and color changes. Slow growth rate. Leafy sea dragons grow relatively slowly, taking about 2 to 3 years to reach maturity. Habitat specialists. Leafy sea dragons are found in specific habitats, typically areas with rocky reefs, kelp forests, and strong water currents. Important ecological role. Leafy sea dragons play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems, serving as both predators and prey. Unique communication. Leafy sea dragons use a variety of clicks, chirps, and body language to communicate with other sea dragons. Can change color. Leafy sea dragons have specialized cells called chromatophores that allow them to change color and blend in with their surroundings. Popular in research, leafy sea dragons are often studied in research due to their unique characteristics and adaptations. Protected by law. Leafy sea dragons are protected by Australian law, which regulates their capture and trade. Leafy sea dragons have inspired numerous artistic works, from paintings to sculptures, and are often featured in aquariums and marine exhibits. Leafy sea dragons are known to form small groups in the wild, often consisting of a dominant male, and several female males will fiercely defend their territory from other males, using their impressive appendages to intimidate rivals. Leafy sea dragons have a complex mating ritual, involving elaborate courtship displays and color changes. Females choose their mates based on the quality of their appendages and courtship displays. Leafy sea dragons are believed to be monogamous, with pairs forming during the breeding season. Some research suggests that leafy sea dragons may form long-term pair bonds, lasting multiple breeding seasons. Leafy sea dragons spend a significant amount of time maintaining their elaborate appendages, cleaning and repairing them regularly. Their appendages are not just for display. They also help leafy sea dragons blend in with their surroundings. Leafy sea dragons have a unique swimming style, using their pectoral fins to propel themselves through the water. Leafy sea dragons are important indicators of the health of their ecosystems, as changes in their populations can signal broader environmental issues. The name sea dragon comes from their resemblance to mythical dragons, with their elaborate appendages and majestic appearance. Leafy sea dragons have remained largely unchanged for millions of years, with fossil records showing similar species dating back to the Miocene epoch. Conservation efforts are in place to protect leafy sea dragons and their habitats, including marine protected areas and regulations on fishing gear. Leafy sea dragons are popular subjects for scientific research, particularly in the fields of marine biology, ecology, and conservation. Leafy sea dragons have a unique skeletal system with flexible, interconnected bones that allow for their elaborate appendages. Leafy sea dragons can change color to some extent, but not as dramatically as some other marine animals. Their appendages may also serve purposes beyond camouflage and display, such as sensing their environment or attracting prey. Leafy sea dragons feed on a variety of small crustaceans, plankton, and fish larvae using their long snout to suck in food. Keeping leafy sea dragons in aquariums is challenging due to their specific habitat requirements and feeding needs. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.